We are going to Klong Chao Waterfall,
We are on the way.
and it has a three-tier waterfall. So we are gonna go and see how it is. The water is cool and it remains cool throughout the year, no matter the season.
Last night there was rain, so hopefully we will see more water in the waterfall.
Yeah, and take a dip into it.
Yes.
We are all ready, set to go
So
inside the water.
yes.
Let's see. It is written on the entrance of Klong Chao Waterfall that King Rama VI visited the waterfall in 1911 and gave it the royal name Anam Kok in commemoration of Ong Chiang Du, a Vietnamese king who took refuge in the kingdom of Siam during the reign of King Rama I in the late 18th century. So the walk towards this waterfall is little bit more than other waterfalls, and the path leading towards the waterfall is rocky and watery. Yeah, how he's flowing.
The walk to the waterfall is through beautiful jungle. Enjoy the lush greenery, diverse flora, and peaceful atmosphere along the way.
The walk is not so hard, so it's just a plain terrain.
Yeah, there is no climbing and anything.
Yeah.
And the walk is not more than 100 or 150 meters. We can see the waterfall from here. This is the path. This rock is little bit slippery, so be careful.
Yep.
The path to the waterfall is rocky and uneven, which can be slippery, so either wear sturdy, non-sleepy footwear.
Or take off your shoes or slippers, as it will be more easy to move around this way on the mossy rocks.
Finally, we reach over here.
Yeah, and this is the second tier where we are standing. The topmost tier is you can climb through the rock, but I don't see anybody climbing.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, you can just swing from that rope from here to there. People are going towards the rope and they will swing.
Yeah.
Let's see. Water is cool and clean.
The rainy season between May to October brings the strongest, most dramatic flow to Klong Chao Waterfall.
After the rains from November to early January, the water is still abundant but starts to clear up.
December to February is high season for Koh Kood and the falls. There are more visitors, especially during holiday periods and weekends.
For the best balance, visit in late November or early December. You will get strong but clear waterfall flow, lush green surroundings, comfortable weather, less rain, fewer crowds than in peak season. There are small fishes to offer you a natural pedicure experience. Relax and let the fishes nibble away the dead skin.
Getting here from any part of the island is extremely easy. You can come by motorbikes, cycle, or walk, as there are no hills to climb.
There is no entrance fee to visit the waterfall.
After exploring the Klong Chao Waterfall, we are heading to Klong Chao Beach.
Right now it's a high tide, so we don't have sand.
I feel it is the most scenic and most picturesque beach on Koh Kood.
Mainly because of these trees, this is where everyone loves clicking pictures.
We walked till the end of the beach.
It's beautiful and full of soft, white, powdery sand. Yesterday we came here in the evening and thought of exploring during the midday today.
All the beaches are filled with water today.
This is what happens when you come during the rain.
You can rent kayak or pedal boats from the shops here. It is quite windy. We wanted to swim and spend time on the swing today.
After soaking into the beauty of Klong Chao Waterfall and Klong Chao Beach, we are here at the Secret Sunset Beach, which is famous for the best sunset on the island. All the locations in this video will be provided in the description. Do check it out.
There's a different kind of quietness on this beach. It's an amazing experience. That's Koh Kood, Thailand. You can swim and reach there. It is so close to the island.
Which you can, and you can snorkel there. It's beautiful underwater, but due to high tide and strong currents, it was not accessible today.
This was our third day on Koh Kood, and how grateful we are to have such incredible experience exploring the most scenic beaches and waterfall on the most spectacular island in Thailand. Let us know in the comment below which place you like the most.
Come here to experience the calmness, and we bet you will fall in love with Koh Kood just like we have. Hit like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you on our next adventure. Bye.
Bye.